Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever struggled with the multiplication table? Does the thought of memorizing it fill you with dread? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those math headaches. Today, we're diving into how you can memorize the multiplication table effortlessly. Let's make learning fun and easy. First impressions? Memorizing multiplication tables might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. We're not talking about endless rote memorization. Instead, we'll explore techniques that make the process engaging and, dare I say, enjoyable. So, what are the basics? The multiplication table, also known as times tables, is a fundamental tool in mathematics. It's essentially a list of multiples of numbers, from 1 to 12 or beyond. Mastering this table unlocks a world of mathematical possibilities. Now, let's get into the techniques. First, understanding the basics. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, 3 by 4 means adding 3 4 times. Understanding this makes memorization simpler. Next, the power of patterns. The table is full of patterns. Notice the patterns in the 2s, 5s, and 10s. Spotting and understanding these patterns is key. Then, mnemonics and tricks. Use memory aids or mnemonics. Create stories or rhymes to remember tricky multiplications. For example, for 7 by 8 56. You could imagine 7 pirates eating 8 apples, and they are 56 years old. This helps recall. Let's move on to the pros and cons. The pros: increased math fluency, faster problem solving, and improved confidence. The cons? Initially, it can take some effort. However, with the right techniques, the process becomes manageable. Simple tips and tutorials are very important. Practice regularly. Use flashcards and play multiplication games. Make learning fun. Teach others. Let's summarize. Mastering the multiplication table is a worthwhile investment. It's a fundamental skill. Who are these techniques for? Everyone, from elementary school students to adults. The value? Increased confidence, improved problem solving, and a solid foundation. So, ready to conquer the multiplication table? It's about understanding and using fun techniques. Start practicing today, and you'll master multiplication. Thanks for watching, and happy multiplying.